Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A14 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this device. First of all, go into settings and scroll down to access, security and privacy. Then click on biometrics under security. Tap on face recognition at the top and enter your current login method. Finally, click on continue and keep your face in frame. Wait for 100% mark. Now you can adjust all of those options however you wish to. And when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can set face unlock is working properly. If you want to disable it, tap on face recognition, enter your current login method, and tap on this switcher next to face unlock to turn it off or on. You can also remove face data completely by tapping on Remove Face Data at the top and choosing Remove in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!